I am Pathak sir from Modern English High School, Guwahati. This is exercise 5.2 from NCERT book of class 10. My dear students, from this exercise also I have taught the previous questions. Now question number 9 I am doing here. You read the question nicely and then you will understand what to do. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, then which term of this AP will be 0? From the given condition, you will get two equations. From the two equations, you will get the unknown quantity. And using those quantities which you are getting from the two equations, you use it in the third equation as I am going to for. And then you will get what? The number of terms. Which terms means what? You have to find out first of all n. And when you are getting n, that means nth term will be here. Suppose you are getting n is equal to 5, that means what? Fifth term. If you are getting n is equal to 6, then sixth term. Okay, you come to the board. Here you see third term. Third term is what? A3. Third term is what? A3. So A3 is equal to how much is given? 4. A3 means, you know the formula of A3. What happens? A plus, instead of n, here 3 minus 1 and d, that is equal to 4. Separately you see, A3, if I am telling you to find out an, so what formula you are using? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 and d, here is 3. That means what? Here will be 3, like that. So, my dear students, here you got A3 is equal to 4. So, instead of A3, you are supposed to write A plus 3 minus 1, D is equal to 4. Now you see, A plus 2, D is equal to 4. One equation you got here. This is equation number 1. Now, ninth term of an AP is given minus 8. Again, AN means what? A9, ninth term, is equal to A plus 9 minus 1. D you are getting. Or AN is already given, so we are writing, instead of AN, you are supposed to write here minus 8 is equal to A plus 8D, or you may write this one in the left hand side. So A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. Now equation 1 minus equation 2 you do. As in the case of linear equation, you have solved many questions to find out the values of x and y. Similarly, you can get here the values of a and d. Here, equation 1 minus equation 2. What are the things you are getting? Instead of first equation, we are writing a plus 2d is equal to 4, and second equation a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. When you are going to subtract, symbol of the below one will be changed. Here is minus 8, so it will be plus. Here is plus 8, so it will be minus. And here is nothing, is what? Plus. So here minus. Plus a minus a cancel. You are getting minus 6d is equal to 12. Now, my dear student, so D is equal to what you are getting? 12 by minus 6. So you are getting minus 2. Anyway, you got D is equal to minus 2. Now, I am starting from here. Here you see. Putting D is equal to minus 2 in 1. What you get? Here is A. A plus, instead of 2 only, instead of D, minus 2 and is equal to 4. Now you see A plus minus 4 is equal to 4. You are getting A is equal to 8. Because this minus will go that side. So plus 4 will be 8. Now you know the value of A 8. You know the value of D minus 2. Now which term will be 0? Let A n term means nth term will be 0. Will be 0. Therefore, an is equal to, we are writing the formula A plus n minus 1 D. Instead of an is equal to, we have supposed 0. An term will be 0. So instead of an, 0 we are putting. Instead of A, we are putting 8. Plus n we don't know. D, instead of D, we are writing minus 2. Here you see. Let this 8 come this side. So it will be minus 8. And this side will be n minus 1 into minus 2. What happens? This minus 8 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus cancel and 8 will be cancelled by 2. So you are getting 4. 4 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, 4 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. So, which terms you are getting? Here you see, which terms you will get 0? So, in the last, we don't have a space, so I am rubbing here. Therefore, in the last you are supposed to write, therefore, nth term is fifth term. Fifth term will be 0. Finish. This is your answer.